This channel makes $22,000 just from ad revenue. JawDroppingFacts, which focuses on long-form videos, gives us a golden opportunity. We can leverage the information from this channel to create our own viral shorts. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple technique that allows you to effortlessly make YouTube shorts that are informative and engaging for viewers. First things first, we need to create a channel where we can upload our short videos. To choose the right name, I asked ChatGPT to recommend 50 unique names for my channel in the animal niche. Let's pick Possum. It's cute, catchy, and perfectly aligned with our animal-focused content. Now that our channel is set up, let's move on to some secret settings to boost its growth. I'll reveal these settings in the next video once we reach 15 likes. Next, let's focus on video creation. To create an engaging short video, we need 4 essential elements, and the 4th one is crucial. You might struggle to make an engaging video without it, but don't worry, just watch this video and follow each step carefully. Firstly, for every engaging video, a good script is essential. If you don't want to write the script yourself, choose a good channel in your niche that creates videos you want to make. For example, my niche is animals, so I'll open this channel page. I'll select an interesting video with the highest views, uploaded about a month ago. Now, I'll click on the 3 dots and select Show Transcript. I'll toggle timestamps and copy the script. Now, to create your own script, open ChatGPT and ask it to highlight 3 main points from this video script and explain them. There you have it, your ready-made script. Now, for the voiceover, go to this website. You'll find the link in the video description. Paste your script here and choose a voice. You can adjust the speed and pitch as well. Finally, click on the download button to save it. Now, let's talk about visuals. For this you can use websites like Pexels and Pixabay for copyright-free stock footages. Now for every line in the script, use different videos to keep the video length short and your viewers engaged. For example, like I said before, use different videos for each line in the script to keep the video length short and your viewers engaged. Just like that. Now comes the most important part to make the video engaging: video editing. For this, open Clipchamp. Click on New Video and import your assets. Next, bring the voiceover to the timeline. Just like I showed you earlier, set the clips for each line, so the video becomes fast-paced and catchy. After that, click on Captions in the top right and generate auto captions. Align these captions in the center. You can also change their color and font. Make sure to watch the video once to check if anything went wrong during the generation. Finally, export the video at 1080p resolution. Now, after doing all this, subscribe to my channel and give this video 50 likes. And let me know in the comments what kind of video you'd like to see next. Until then.
Kare, 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 kare.